Hi guys, hope you all are fine. Now let's start. First you leave a little hair from the front. After that you make French braid from both sides. I have a surprise for all of you, so watch the video till end. And here is your surprise. Avail this offer-free hairstyle for the first 100 subscribers. Hurry up, comment below, tie a rubber band. Now do it like this. Now you can see how beautiful side braid looks. It's very easy. You can carry this hairstyle at any party or wedding. You can style it on the bride's sister too. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe.